Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is my juice drink for the week. This one is a very nutrient rich juice drink. This is cucumber, lime, bok choy, pineapple, and I used a small little pinch of ginger. This juice drink is a really good option for you to steer away from always having a drink that's like super sweet. You know, sometimes you want to tone it down and adjust to a drink that tastes more like a healthy drink versus a drink that tastes like fruit punch. I used pineapple to sweeten it rather than using a green apple. I selected cucumbers because cucumbers offer a lot of liquid and they also have a cool, refreshing taste. So I just felt it was a good option for this drink. I decided to go with limes instead of lemon because my tree is pretty much out of lemons. So I went with limes, and I actually used 3 limes here. I'm only cutting 2. I forgot to peel them beforehand and I ended up cutting them. But anytime you use lemon or limes, you always want to peel the skin of it because the skin of it is really bitter. So I had to go ahead and just peel it by hand, and it all worked out. I went back and found my other lime, and I went ahead and peeled that and cut it up to add it to this drink. So here's the bok choy. Bok choy is a cruciferous vegetable that's also a superfood. Bok choy is known as Chinese cabbage. Bok choy is very healthy. It's loaded with vitamins A and C. And as a cruciferous vegetable, bok choy has unique sulfur-containing compounds that may reduce the risk of breast, prostate, lung, and digestive tract cancers. So when juicing bok choy, you want to juice the entire vegetable. And I did find a few bugs on the bok choy, which is a really good sign, being that it's non-organic. So here is the ginger. I decided to go with a small piece and not overdo it because I'm using limes, which is already, sour. So I didn't want the drink to just be totally nasty. So next I went in and I I thoroughly washed down and scrubbed that bok choy. The cucumbers I had already pre-rinsed before I began to cut it, and there was no need to rinse the pineapple nor the lime. So here's my, little work area all set up. I have everything prepped out. I went ahead and I sat the limes on top of the juicer tray because anytime you're juicing, you want to start with your softer fruit first. And I'm mainly referring to if you're juicing using a masticating juicer. I notice that whenever I'm juicing like soft fruits or limes, lemons, anything with like a mushy texture. Sorry, do you guys hear the fireworks? They're popping fireworks. I'm trying to do a voiceover. They're popping fireworks. Please ignore the fireworks, okay? Anyway, as I was saying, anytime you're juicing like mushy type vegetables, it tends to get stuck. It does not like completely pass through. So I like to start with the soft, mushy fruits first, and then I'll follow up with the vegetables last because they sweep that fruit and those mushy vegetables right through the machine. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just juicing everything. This is pretty simple and basic. If you can go ahead and take a look at the amount of liquid that I've gotten so far, and this is mostly from the cucumber. This will be my 7th juice drink on this channel, and of all of the drinks, this drink was not as sweet as my other drinks normally are. And I kind of think that's a good thing because if you decided to make this a lifestyle, say like you wanted to like do maybe 4 juices per day, you don't want to constantly be adding a lot of sugar to your drinks. You want to limit that as much as possible. It's almost like you have to train your palate to just become accustomed to the taste of the vegetables, because most vegetables are slightly bitter, such as kale. I've juiced asparagus before. Some vegetables are really hard to take down, but if you kind of get used to it, it's easier. And you don't have to constantly add a lot of sugar to your drinks. Plus, if you're diabetic, you want to steer clear of adding an excessive amount of sugar to your drink. So this drink is packed with nutrients. It is packed with nutrients. Limes are really loaded with vitamin C. The bok choy, the pineapple, the ginger root, the cucumber, packed with nutrients. So here's what you can do for this drink. Once you're done, you want to fill up your cup, 50% of the juice, the other 50 water. That'll dilute the taste of the lime, because I tasted a lot of lime in this drink. You can also add a little honey, but like I said, try not to overdo it with the sugar. It's all about consuming the nutrients, because that is what's important, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was something a little bit different than my other juice drinks that I normally post. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this juice drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.